Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Ibaru kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ne kasngi ula berngam manishim bentalang hagi program jengiki jengi nongtrei ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC ki balami syakmat ban persya halor ka jingcha set tulop kabalane hadu saupulai benai. La ban penken mau nadu nyotre unai tung arajar absan ki nongtrei ka GHADC rasdangi ka jengiki bandawa tulom benri ka sarkar baka executive committee isi jong ka GHADC kim shim kya. Haga jing ekran bakilat pathai khubor Dr. Mukul la ong ka jingle menti jong ka sarkar baka isi halor kani ka kam kala penbitar om tangi ki nongtrei reiru iki pai ba baro ka jilla. Kamtam ha ka rilum Garo Hills kani ka jing sangam jar ka pen I bakim dan jingkir kli bakim ka banne ka karam pala pension. Shu Dr. Mukul ula penpau bala ka sarkar kampen I kanu ka jing shimkya un sanum pai ba ban kershan ik nongtrei GHADC ha ki jing iki. Aswa kane Dr. Mukul ringkat ki MDC jong ka GHADC kila lait bani kendu ya ulat ka jilla UCH Vijaya Shankar ban ai ka jing tho halor ka jing e jong nongtrei ban MDC yuga sha set puram. Na kaliang UMDC ka Khar Kuta constituency Cherak W Momin ula pentip ba ka jingwan bani kendu ya ulat kalong bantawa ya ka jing tuklar halor kini kiman. Kajing syak set tulop ki nongtrei GHADC kajing syak pensange bat penwai kensani ka dorbar kerpang bakhat saw kajing betha e ka sarkar jelaban menjurno e ka Garo customary law kani kajing ujor pai ba jung Dr. Mukul Sangma bat ki MDC ka longkum kajing penken mau ting e ka sarkar MDA balaya lam do konrat ki Sangma ba ka ban shimkyak loy halor kani kajing e balaya ne slam pala.
Every mandate of the law as enshrined in the constitution, relevant provision of section of the constitution. So now therefore not having any response to this, whatever you call it, agitation or collective endeavor to echo their voice of concern and distress, did you see any response? Why should there be no response? Is it acceptable? Do they need the whole people of Garo Hills to come to the street? Then only will they respond. Do they need the MLAs to also join the dharna and the agitation? Well, if the government doesn't respond on time and take cognizance of this problem, we will be compelled to go to the streets, engage in peaceful dharna, peaceful protests, and call on the people to join the agitation. Let us not take things for granted. They're okay, it is usual, because I was astonished also by one kind of narrative which was circulated in social media, that one of the people in dispensation had the audacity to say that, okay, this agitational program has become part of the culture. Look at the quantum of insensitivity and the complete lack of sense of responsibility. Therefore, friends, I think it is necessary for everyone to question the government about their intent as to why they can be so insensitive. Do they have some malafide intention to slowly cripple and weaken the ADCs so that the relevance of the ADCs and their importance will be well forgotten by people slowly? Well, it has started in western part in respect of the areas falling under GHADC, but then people of the state as a whole must take cognizance of this very serious, unwanted anti-people development. Rested upon these local bodies, particularly ADCs and municipalities. These responsibilities can be very effectively somehow whatever responsibilities are vested upon them, they must be able to fulfill them in the right perspective. That requires finances, resources. Therefore, the State Finance Commission Act deals with this responsibility of the state to see how much resources are required for these ADCs, autonomous district councils, and how much is the capacity of their concerned respective ADCs to mop up the resources on their own from all the available resources in terms of the revenues which they generate based on the mandate of the Constitution? And what is the shortage? Whether it is a shortage in respect of the revenue expenditure, and in addition to that, what are the mandate of the Constitution based on which they'll have to also plan for investment in as far as the capital expenditure is concerned, and how this whole requirement of the ADCs will be examined, and how the resources available with the states will be then decided upon as to how much of the resources will be transferred to the ADCs by the respective finance commissions for different responsibilities which are vested upon the respective ADCs and the local bodies. Why is the state not acting on it? The act is there, act is notified, it is in public domain. That means the intent is very clear, the priority is very clear. Indirectly, are they trying to cripple these ADCs? I would like to say that this issue of the problem being faced by the employees of Garu's Autonomous District Council should not be taken as a issue of Garu's Autonomous District Council in isolation. It should be taken as a problem, as an alarm bell for all the people of the state, because it only reflects the complete insensitivity of the state government towards their own responsibilities in as far as empowering the Autonomous District Council to fulfill their responsibility inconsistent with the provision of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of the Constitution of India is concerned. It is a complete reflection of their insensitivity, and I have to question also, do they want to really slowly cripple the ADC so that they will have its own natural death?